Step 1. Access the listing editor. First, log into your Occasion workspace. Click on Listings on the left sidebar menu. Now, either create a new event or find an existing event you want to make private. To make your event private, click on Edit Listing. Look for the public-private switch and flip it to private, and you're done. Your event is now exclusive to your invited guests. Step 3. Hide the event from your public calendar. Do you want to keep this event hidden from your public calendar? Go to Settings, Website Calendars, find your calendar and click Edit. Scroll down and look for the option that says Show Private Events. Switch this off and save changes. And now your event is hidden from the public. You've successfully set up a private event for your cooking school.